time, I don't get every sex. Where do mama, papa? Yeah, maybe save my body from my husband. So boyfriend, I want to say a boyfriend and they ever spend the money. Don't lift up my 2 foot them. You don't pay for 2 foot. Don't make me this year. Lift up 1 leg. 1 leg. Husband get 2 legs. Yeah. Boyfriend get 1 leg and half a leg. I'm never stretched out. My catch for right as fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Too much woman I broke man bad. Man I get a husband treatment. You're not a husband.
Me not gonna be everybody cup of tea, come in a mug, and it's fine. It's not a problem. Some people like Cersei, some like ginger, some like mint, some like chocolate with whipped cream on top, and it's fine. I'm not here for a popularity contest because I know that you will never be right for the wrong person. If somebody make up their mind to eat Korean boy things, no matter what you do, they're gonna always find a fault. But that is for them fault. What them for find fault with is a rotten teeth in their mouth, and their mother we can't find them father. I'll know what that me I talk about. Yeah.
So you've been called to the bar.
Yep.
And so
hello. Don't wish me can't hold the mic. I want to take off the mic.
Take it off, hold it. Yeah.
Aye, I'm gonna take out that something here. Don't wish me well if you used to give me L. Yeah. Don't wish me well. Some of you know the blood of Jesus is against you. Know. Wanna see people, I wanna don't know nothing about people. Because you cannot afford a babysitter, you can't afford to absent, you can't nothing at all. And a lot of men fall into this trap, and a lot of women too fall in the trap. Because you know, nobody say, you're a mule, and them are going to say, me can't have no pick me, and them are going to say, me bong, and them are going to say, they say whatever you want to say.
In school, I have a baby mother.
Eh? Yeah. You're in school, I have a baby mother. You're 15 and you impregnate somebody? You're 15 and pregnant?
Yeah, boss.
Are you mad? You get a youth and you're 15? Yeah, it's a carelessness. For the people, me never hear rich people don't from people have picnic. Me not saying a lie. Me never really hear, Damian. You ever hear a billionaire and a rich people that say, Damian don't have a child yet? Damian, me never, a billionaire never ask you, tell me if when you gonna have a child. Wait, me never hear them ask me. Yeah, me not understand this. And you shut up. Why would I want to suffer like you? Am I dumb? Eh? Me look at this, an idiot. Look how you suffer a butter. You butter. You can't go on a movie. You have so much sacrifice and so much things you can't do. You can't go out. You can't eat out. You can't do. Why would I want that? Why would I? You can't pay the rent. You have to hide from your landlord. Why would I want that life?
Just for Mother's Day?
Just for Mother's Day? Just for one day? Or just say Happy Mother's Day? Happy Father's Day? Alright, anyway, Mother's Day, may I sleep. May I take a Benadryl and just sleep it out. I'm just waiting up the next day then. Alright, yeah, make it just pass me then. Because nobody could hype me for one Mother's Day. Just for Mother's Day? Just for Father's Day? A lot of the people who are encouraging you and even look down for you about a picnic, you're broke. You're homeless. Right? You're under stress every living day where God send. You know nobody feel like a picnic with you feel like a picnic man and house by themselves. Because you cannot Calico. But don't trouble people.
No, you just erase the memory of the person.
Yeah, burial. Burial.
Erase it, you know?
To me, I keep mental funerals all the time. You know, I feel like I don't trouble you. I don't fast with you. You know. So to me, if you have done me something, especially if it's egregious, but that's done with you in a life. I'll just shut up. Just
black and lily.
Yeah, you're obliterated. Completely. Poof. Poof. But God knows, but why? But that is not LT. Why is that LT, Andrika? Me not belch. Yeah, belch. My stomach not hurt me now. Why is that? Why people always be saying that? Why is it not good?
You need mental peace.
I am at peace. At the funeral, I'm ashes to ashes, dust to dust. You worried?
But
me not worried.
If you're at peace when you think about the situation, you won't. You know, you feel nothing.